Let's do it together. Keep your hands here the way I told you. Elbows to the side. Relax your shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Right, right. 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, together. Left, right, left, together. Right, left, right, together. Left, right, left, together. Right, right. No. Left, left, right, right. Correct. Right, right, left, left. 5, 6, now change. 1, 2. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Down, 3, 4 and up. 2, 3, 4 and down. 2, 3, 4. Keep it here. Just we'll do the wrist pulling and pushing. Pull the wrist, push the wrist. Upper circle, lower circle, pull and push. Again, upper circle, lower circle. Nahi, bahar se. Yes. Pull and push. 4 different parts means to be conscious of isolating your bodies. So we do the head, which is the neck. This is 1. Then we do the shoulder. ठीक है? Then we do the torso. Just the upper body, the torso. And then we do the hip. Only the hip. Left, right, 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 left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, bring it here and look at the right hand. Head and the hand should follow. Profile, yes, yeah. See, your hand, your chin, shoulder and elbow should be in the same line. Perfect. And you bend a little towards the left. Bend a little towards the left. Very nice. Yes. Okay? Take your hand here. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you push the door open and turn your wrist and let the water drop down your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, head and the hand goes together. Can we do this? Let's. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking on the left side as you go, look at the road you're walking. 1, 2, 3, 4. I come back here. Because I've already moved here, so I want to come back to my place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're doing 8 counts, right? So we are going 1, 2, 3, 4 and head. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4 and 5. 4, 5. 4, 1. 4, 8. 1. 4, flip. One more time. Very good. Very nice. Very nice.